Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what matters: your prescribed medication, the nebulizer cup, tubing, and compressor. Attach tubing to the compressor outlet and the cup inlet. This prevents leaks and ensures airflow. Once done, plug into a grounded outlet and switch the compressor on briefly to confirm it powers up and makes a steady hum. Make sure to sit upright so aerosol reaches your lungs effectively, and keep a small towel ready for any spills. Now load the medication into the nebulizer cup exactly as prescribed. Saline may be added to reach the fill line to ensure proper mist production. Close the cup securely and attach the mouthpiece or mask, making sure all connections are tight to prevent aerosol loss. Once the compressor is on, breathe in slowly and deeply for about 5 to 10 seconds, then exhale. Continue calm, steady breaths until the nebulizer runs out, usually 10 to 15 minutes, to deliver the full dose. To finish, switch the compressor off and disconnect tubing. Pour leftover solution down the sink and never store medication in the cup. Rinse the cup and mouthpiece with warm water, shake off excess, and air dry on a clean towel to prevent microbial growth. If you notice a weak mist or sputtering, make sure tubing isn't kinked and the compressor vents are clear. If problems persist, replace tubing or filters, and consult the device manual.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.